the coin goes in one of them. Imagine working with that all day, every day. Oh, that would be torture. I know. How old do you think the kids that ran the machines were?
I'm pretty sure it was not too long after they learned how to walk. Once they learned how to walk and talk and do jobs, they were in.
Life in the Victorians would be, like, horrible because, like, some people don't get treated right and all that. You were supposed to get a job as soon as you left primary school in the Victorian times. You straight away had to get a job.
Well, you only had to be 5 to work on the machines and clean the machines, so they could have been doing it for, like, a few years now.
Really?
Apparently, though, if they tried to run away, the mill owner would handcuff them to the machine, so they would have to sleep next to the machine, they'd have to eat next to the machine so that they couldn't run away.
If you came from a wealthy family, then it would be easier, but if you came from a poor family, then times would have been rough and you would have been working.
Most of the children were orphans or they were brought in from the workhouses and therefore they were working for their bed and board, so maybe a bit of lunch. And this was often, I say lunch, it was normally a potato, maybe a bit of porridge if they were lucky, and then they could sleep in the factory.
If I was in the Victorian times, I think I would be poor.
Without technology, we would still be practically like in Victorian times, losing arms, losing very important organs in your body.
Losing limbs.
In the earliest days, there was no guarding on any of the machines.
No.
You've got young people working really long hours. They get tired,
Yeah.
they lose concentration for a minute, and it's so easy just to, you know, find yourself caught in one of the machines.
I've never seen anything.
Not seen anything like that before. I've heard something like that before. It kind of sounds like a train when it's just going, duh.
The noise in these factories was literally deafening. So even if they managed to hang on to their fingers and limbs, many workers suffered long-term hearing loss, leaving them needing one of these.
That used to be what a hearing aid was.
And Joshua from the other group can relate. He wears a hearing aid, although nowadays they are a bit more high-tech.
What would it be like to use that as well?
It would be hard because you got to hold it all day.
Yeah.
And your hands would be all sore. Imagine holding that on your ear all day.
I wouldn't want to. I actually wouldn't want
If I got it, I would put it in the bin. I wouldn't want to.
But then you'd be
nowadays, like me, you just put it in your ear and it's done.
What's happening?
They're turning them on. Whoa, look. Oh, look at it. It's going up. It's going up. Look at the bottom bit.
Whoa!
So it smooths it out. I think it makes candy floss.
Candy floss, this is for clothes. I think they were used for, like, carpets or, like, furry coats or something. Yeah, I think that's what it is.